Good morning, everybody. It's Courtney back with another review for 2023. Today we're reviewing Prizerebel. Prizerebel is a get paid to site, which means that you get paid to watch videos, take surveys, do offers. But I'm going to give you a complete walkthrough today. So if you're interested, make sure you click the link down in the description to sign up for Prizerebel. It's 100% free. Start making money today. So Prizerebel, I've been a long time user of. I used to make at least $5 a day every day, and we'll get into that. I'll show you payment proof and what I did to earn this money. I would not get off this site in the morning until I made $5 a day. Okay, because 7 times 5 is $35. What could you do with $35? You want some quick cash. Also, if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to give you a free gift. So let's get into this review. So if we click here, you have different levels, okay? You're going to start at bronze level, okay? You get 15% on your referrals. You don't have automatic prize processing. What does automatic prize processing mean? It means that you're going to get your payment to PayPal or your gift card automatically within like 3 minutes, okay? 3 to 5 minutes. So then you go to silver, okay? And you've got to get to $10 or $100. Wait, yeah, $100 for silver, okay? You have to at least cash out $100, which is fine. Every 100 points is $1. So 1,000 points is $100. You get 20% of your referrals. You don't have automatic prize processing. We want to get you to gold. Okay, so if you make 45,000 points, then you get 25% and you get automatic prize processing. You get a special bonus at the first of every month of 1%, and you get a 1% prize discount. Platinum, you make this amount of points, you get 25%. You have automatic prize processing, you get 2% of this special bonus and the prize discount. Diamond level. Once you get to diamond level, you don't decrease. Okay? You always stay. Diamond is the highest level. That's what I'm at. If you make these points, you get 30% of your referrals. You do get automatic prize processing. You get 3% and 3% of this. Okay? So that is how that works. Over here, we have our help tickets, okay? You can put a promo code in, you can look at the FAQs, get help videos, or log out, okay? Here's your inbox. Your inbox will send you different, you can enter to win a Sephora gift card. They tell you that they've added a new offer wall, which we'll get into in a minute, okay? Here's my points. I have 144 equal to $1.44. Every 100 points is $1. Okay. You go to the earn tab, you can do surveys or offer walls. Here's the rewards. I'll show you the rewards. We've got PayPal. They're going to show you the most popular rewards first. Any reward that you can think of. And you have to think of it as $5 a day if you want to make. You could save this up for Christmas, guys. Just keep it in your account, save it for Christmas. We got Moe's, we got Adidas, we got Burger King, we got Chipotle. Come on, who wouldn't love Chipotle? So I always cash out for $5 in PayPal cash. That's what I have mine set for. But you can do whatever you'd like. You can also go over here. They have Amazon, online games, PayPal, and testimonials. Okay, this is your reward goal. Mine's always set to $5. That's what I like to achieve. Here's some FAQs. Okay. You can also do raffles, lucky numbers, contests, or see your winnings. You can invite people. Now, let me tell you, doing these videos, people do sign up, okay? You can earn with referrals. It's not that much, guys. You need to focus on making this money yourself because, see, Today's earning 0 points, this week 0 points, this month 0 points, okay? I've had one referral. They've made no points. Total clicks is 36, okay? So I might have somebody sign up, but they don't do anything, okay? So the last referral I had was 3/28, 2023. That was in March, okay? But they didn't earn any points, okay? So don't always look at your referrals and say, oh, they're making money just from referrals. No, this 144 points I made myself, and I'm going to show you how I did it. I'll show you my rewards history. It's not very exciting. Redeemed this year 37. Total redeemed last year 51. Let's see. Let's go back. We go back to 2022 in January. Okay? And we go till today. Okay? You'll see $5. I made $27 there. $5, $5, $5, $5.39, $5.10, $5, $5.13, $5.25, $5.09. You see, guys, they're not crazy amounts, but what I can tell you is they add up over time. So if you're wondering how to make this money, I'm going to show you. So you have all these offer walls, okay? My favorite is AdGate, Ascend Media, Revenue Universe, Offer Toro, okay? I go to Ascend Media and sign up, and I let videos run in the background while I'm doing chores, while I have to go to work, while I have to go run errands, while I'm sleeping. I let these videos run in the background because you get paid for every ad that plays. And then I convert those to points. Okay. So that's where these came from. You can go to Offer Toro, and they update their offers every day. So you can see the new offers. Let's see. See if I get a load. It's being a little slow. Maybe they'll load, maybe they won't. Okay, so magic receipts. If you scan a receipt, if you sign up for AARP rewards, you get $1.86. If you sign up for Going, you verify your email, you get 28 cents. If you do prize grab, you get 48 cents. Okay. You can go to Revenue Universe. See if this one loads. Okay. You can sign up for Kudos today, get 16 cents. Click and view the shopping site, you get 1 cent. 1 cent. If you are entered to win for PCH, you get 40 cents. So all of these offers add up, guys. They all add up. Small tasks add up, and you can cash out. Okay? This is not going to get you rich, but it will help you buy things that you want. If you want to put into a course, if you want to start your online business, if you want to start a side hustle, this can help you. Okay? If you're on iOS or you're on Android, these are apps that you can download. Okay? You can do surveys. You can do mobile apps. We can click iPhone or Android. You can play games for money. Okay? Scrabble. If you get to level 11, they're going to pay you $2.91. Okay? I like to do some of the higher ones just because, my time is worth money. So I do that. I'll show you Ascend. I go to Ascend Media. This is 99.9% of where I spend my time now because I like making money passively. So I literally let this run in the background while I'm cleaning my house or while I'm at work for the day or while I'm running errands. I do this. Okay. So you can do all of these. If you want to sign up for SoFi, you get $1.38. Kelly Service Jobs, 34 cents. If you want to do the sweepstakes, you get 39 cents. If you know of baby formula, you get 34 cents. If you do everyday coupons, you get 46 cents. So it really adds up. It doesn't take long to make the money. But I just go to the videos and I just click one of these categories. Okay. You can go, if you want to go price high to low, pet clips. Okay. So I click on that and it brings me to the website and I sign up for the website. It's the same login as my Prizerebel. And then I just let these videos run because you get paid for every time an ad plays. They want you to watch the ads. So that's what I do. Okay. I let the ads run. And like I said, I educate people like I'm doing this video. So, like don't always worry about your referrals because this site is going to work for you because you're doing the work. Okay. You're going to make daily money. So if you just share and educate, and you can do surveys. If you're good with surveys, you can do all of these surveys to qualify. Okay. And they pay you. Here they pay $1 or $2.64, $2.64, 44 cents, 44 cents, 40 cents. So if you want to do this, let me show you. I'm going to show you my where can I? Oh, my things that I do to earn money. And you'll see Ascend Media, Ascend Media, Ascend Media, special level bonus. Okay. That was for March. I only earned 2.1 points. Okay. So it's not great. I did an AdGate offer for a point. AdGate, Radium Universe points, Ascend Media. I literally just let these videos run, guys. That's what all these are. Mostly is Ascend. Sometimes it's Radium Universe. There's my January budget. I got 50 cents for that. I literally just let these videos run. It's what I do 99% of the time. Like I said. I did an Toro offer for 37 cents. You can make money with this, guys. Like I said, I'll leave the link down in the description. And you can start earning today. What I love about Prizerebel is it's free. So you're not going to receive a tax thing unless you make over $600. So my lifetime points have been $624.41. Points I've earned this year is $36.49. Points earned this month, $1.29. Okay. I've claimed 108 rewards. I have 116 referrals, but they're not doing anything. Okay. They're not doing anything. So I just focus on me. Today's referral points is 0. So when people say you're making all your money from referrals, literally I'm not. So they click the link, they go to sign up, they don't do anything with the site, and you don't make any money. So focus on you and what you need to make. If you need to make $50 a week extra, focus on this site, guys. You can do it. I was making $10 a day. Okay. I amped it up. I was making $10 a day, and you can do it too. Do some surveys, do some offers, run some videos, share your link. All of this combined to make the money. Okay. I do have a video that I did probably about 2 years ago that I show you how I get $10 a day. So make sure you watch that. Because you guys have stayed to the end of this video, if you want to know how I've taken this money and I make more money every day with a business that I started, I use this money actually to start an affiliate marketing business. So if you want my free course on how to start affiliate marketing, make sure you click the free course link down in the description and you can get access to my free affiliate marketing course today. So if you want to take this money and start your own affiliate marketing course, you can do that as well. Uh, so I just wanted to make this video to teach people how to use Prizerebel, how to make daily money. But if you want to make more money with affiliate marketing, make sure you get my free course below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will be back soon with another video. Hope you guys have a great day.